experience this. Newts and I had fun birdwatching from our mai-mai. Here is how to make some toy binoculars to spy birds from a bush in your own backyard. You will need 2 toilet paper rolls, 1 sheet of craft foam, 1 sheet of felt, a pen, scissors, 6 rubber bands, some craft glue, a paintbrush, and a piece of string 1 metre long. Start by laying your felt out flat with the design facing down and carefully cut your felt in half. Next, roll each of your toilet paper rolls inside the felt and attach with your craft glue. Then carefully trim any excess felt. Now cut 2 4cm wide strips of craft foam long enough to go around the end of the toilet paper roll. Then, using your craft glue, attach a strip to each end of both toilet paper rolls, securing in place with rubber bands. To create your binocular straps, use a pen to poke a hole in the outside of each toilet paper roll. Then, insert your string into each hole and secure in place with a small knot. Next, attach your 2 toilet paper rolls to each other with 2 rubber bands and start using your binoculars.